Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you're looking for a great felt pad to put on your dining room chairs or other furniture, then I would highly recommend these ones from Scotch. These prevent scratching of your floors. I have wood floors, so it's really important that we have these on the bottom of our furniture. I recently put these on my dining room chairs, and I like that they last a really long time, 2 times longer than standard Scotch felt pads on tile with grout lines. So the fact that I have it on wood, it's gonna last even longer. I also really appreciate the fact that they have a rounded edge and they're double layered. This does not make noise also when you're moving around your chairs, which is really nice. And the fact that it's very durable means that I will not have to replace these anytime soon, like with some other felt pads that I have noticed I've had to replace pretty often. So if you're looking for a high quality product that's going to last you, then I would highly recommend these, but that's just my point of view.